Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So what you're looking at is vegetables that I began to plant in late August. Yeah, I began to drop my seeds from my fall garden somewhere in August. Yeah, that's what I did. That's these plants. Many of these plants I direct sowed, like the walking stick kale. I direct sowed this plant, both of them here, and my broccoli romanesco. Yeah, she ain't got nothing yet, but she looking good. Yeah. So this is my garlic. That's garlic. Remember, garlic is just a flat leaf. This is onions. Onions have air in the middle. She is a double leaf. Check it out. You see she have a hole in the middle, which garlic does not have that hole in the middle. She's just flat leaf. That's garlic. So all of these plants here, somewhere around in late August, I dropped these seeds, right? Yeah. These babies I dropped last month. Some of them in cups, and some of them I direct sowed, right? Yeah. And this is my method of growing, right? My method is this, is to have plants at different stages of their life. So if something were to happen, you know, I live in New Orleans, so hurricanes, yeah, they'll come show up at your door. But that's okay. It's a part of my life, and I know how to deal with it. So I have plants at different stages, like this and like this. In case something was to happen, I will not be out of food. I will not have to go to the big box store. I can just go to my own plants, get something out, and drop her in one of these beds. Have a plan, family. Always have a plan for if stuff was to happen, right? No matter what, your family will still eat, and you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money, $6 and $7 for 4 plants. You can use your own plants. That is just my method of how I keep on growing and keep on eating all 4 seasons. That's my method. Some people ask me, and some people already know, how do I get my vegetables so big and healthy? And family, it is simple. The soil in my beds here, first of all, especially in the raised beds, they have been fertilized for many years, you know, just growing, right? Many years of fertilizing. The soil is amazing in here. Every year, yes, I do top it off, but the bottom, yeah, baby, that's what it is. Also, my fertilizers, if you don't know, I use 2 fertilizers here. I do, 2 of them. First fertilizer I use is 511. Yep, 511. That's my go-to there, baby. That's yeah, it's all that to me. reason I use it is because it works. It works. It's simple. It works. The next one I do, the fertilizer, is I allow my garden to feed the garden, just as in nature. But I use it in a different way. I take what I grow, put it in water, let all the goodness seep into that water, and I feed it back to my plants. Let me share. So this is my growing out the box bed, and as you can see, she is getting big, y'all. She's getting big. Yeah, they're doing good. They about to show off. They're doing really well. By December, yeah, they're gonna be really big. I have onions in here. I dropped seeds, and this is just for pest pressure. That's what that's for. But you know, I'll use it when I need to. That's garlic right there. That's garlic. All kinds of goodies. There's carrots in here. Just, you name it. All kind of brassicas is in this bed. And of course, we got the babies. We got the babies. So y'all, I was playing around with these plants and looking for bad leaves like this one. Yeah. But I found something. She been here. This is a Baker Creek seed. I'm gonna show you the pack, but that's her. Check her out, y'all. She's shining bright like a diamond. And I saw more. I saw more this morning, but this is just awesome. Yeah, let's go see on the other side. This is just amazing. And look at her, y'all. You see her? She's just sitting up there looking all pretty. Yeah. It's the Baker Creek cauliflower. Hey. Awesome. We're going to be eating cauliflower, baby. And she is going to be really big, to say she's so big. Yeah. That's beautiful. She made my morning, I tell you. Yeah. Hey, y'all. So, it's your girl, Jody. And as y'all know, I don't eat a whole lot of stuff. I'll be a little skeptical. But I stopped by my mama today before I went walking, and she wanted me to try this pepper. It's a lipstick pepper, and I'm going to show y'all how it looks. All right. Baker Creek. And it's from Baker Creek. Yeah. So, I'm going to try it. Now, listen. Baby, if I like it, y'all going to know. And if I don't like it, y'all going to know. So, I hope I like it, though. So, let me get it off. I'm going to actually cut it myself. Yeah. And I'm going to take a little bite of it and tell y'all what's up with it. All right? Right here is cool? Yeah, watch that flower. All right. So this is it, and this is how it looks. That's the pepper. Yeah, it's nice. It's the nice lipstick pepper. Lipstick pepper. So
right.
I'm gonna just wipe it on down like how they do
Yeah.
in the day. You understand?
Back in the
Back
day.
in the day, I'm gonna give that thing a little rub. You understand? The rub. That's
Yeah.
all.
You gonna bite it like that or you gonna break it?
I'm going to break it.
Yeah.
But I am gonna say, Lord, I hope this is nourishment to my body. Bless the grower.
Amen.
And bless the eater.
Amen.
Oh God. So all right, here we go. I'm just gonna bite it.
Bite that thing.
It's really good. It's sweet. All right, so a plane was passing, so that's why I told y'all to hold on. This right here is really good. It's sweet. It's not bitter at all, because I like raw peppers anyway. But it is really good, Mama.
Yeah. It's like a little fruity in there.
It is.
Yeah.
It's giving a little fruity.
Yeah.
But it's really good. Really good. I could eat this whole thing.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Good.
Y'all, if y'all haven't grown it or tried it, if I say it's good, it's probably good. Because I'm so picky, y'all. Oh.
Yeah, she likes it.
So
what
anyway,
is that? Show it again.
It is a lipstick pepper by Baker Creek.
Yeah.
And it's giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give.
Yeah.
You want to taste it?
Yeah, let me bite.
It's really good. It's good. It gives fruity. It's fresh. It's sweet. It's light.
Oh, that's really good.
It's really good. It's very enjoyable.
I love it.
So that's my taste for the day.
Yeah, thank you, daughter.
Y'all have a good day. And that's it. I'm going walking, y'all. Look at the butterfly coming back. I like butterflies, but I don't like them on me, is the thing. I like all nature, but just not on me.
Yeah.
Anyway, y'all have a good day. Love all y'all. Peace out. Peace.
Later.
Later.